Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will learn a simple use case, but it is very important guys. In most of the interviewers will ask this question. Okay, I will share that use case with you. So this is the use case guys. We need to print the incident record where the category is software. Okay, let me show you practically. Open your PDI, click on all and in the filter navigator, click incident. Click on all. Yeah, currently, if you see here, 314 records are there in the incident table. Okay. And here, if you see, we have different types of categories here, like inquiry. Most of the categories are inquiry type only. So let me go to another sheet. Yeah. See, inquiry type is there, hardware type is there. Okay. But we have to print only the incident with software category. Okay. So to achieve this, we have to write one background script guys. So click on all and in filter navigator, click back, background script. Yeah. First I will write the script here. After that I will explain the purpose. What is the field name? Let me open one record. I will take this field name from this sheet so that field name will be accurate. We need only the category is software. Yeah, we need to print the incident numbers. Okay. So first I will show you in this incident table, guys. Okay. I will show you manually. We will check how many records are there which belongs to software category. Okay. Click on filter navigator. Select category is software. Click on run. Yeah. So two records are there which belongs to category as software. Okay. So here also when I run this script, which should display only two records. Okay. As per our use case. Click on run script. Yeah, see, only two records 519 and 518. 519 and 518. Okay, this is how we can achieve this use case, guys. Or otherwise, if I want to display the incident numbers which belongs to both the software and hardware category, so how to achieve this means, so here add or condition. Where category is hardware. We need the records for which the category is hardware and software. Okay. I will run the script. See, total so many records are there. Let me print the number count, so that we can get idea like how many records are available. Okay. Incident dot get row count is the method to get the count. Okay. So total 29 records are there, guys, which belongs to the category as both software and hardware. Okay. So we will manually check here. So first category is software, as well as I need category is hardware. Okay. Click on run. Yeah. Can you see here? Now we have 29 records. And through background script also we got 29 records. So there are 29 records which matches this condition. Okay. Category as software and category as hardware. Yeah. That's all for today's video, guys.